Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are doing great. Realme recently launched their new Android tablet, Realme Pad X. The Wi-Fi model base variant 464GB is priced for 19,999, but in this video we are going to unbox and see their higher variant 6256GB cellular model. And let's see whether the tab justifies its price or not. Let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. First let's unbox the tab. This is the box of Realme Pad X. Let's remove the wrapper. On the front you can see the picture of Realme Pad. On the bottom they mentioned the model name Realme Pad X. On the back, features and other details are mentioned. Let's open the box and take out the tab. Let's remove it from the cover and remove the back sticker also. Finally, let's turn on the pad. Next on the box you'll get user manual, warranty card, 33 watts charging adapter, one Type-C cable and one SIM ejector tool. First let's talk about the design. The tab comes with full plastic body design. Both the back panel and the side frames are made up of plastic. On the back it's completely matte design with sparkling sand texture. The tab weighs overall 499 gram and 7.1 mm thickness. And it comes on two color variant. The one we have is glowing grey and the one more variant is glacier blue. Overall when we talk about the design, even though it's a plastic body, the tab looks really premium. Also they provided one extra skin with the tab, you can see that too. Next when it comes to display, the tab comes with 10.95-inch WUXGA Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate. It has 84.60% screen to body ratio. The bezels on the four corners are decent, it's good enough to hold the tab without touching the display. When it comes to protection, the display comes with Panda Glass protection and the peak brightness goes up to 450 nits. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the display looks clear and visible. But on the direct sunlight, the visibility is a bit low. The media consumption experience on this display was really great. Also in the setting you have an option for video enhancement. Once you enable that, it will boost the quality of normal video and show it like HDR content. Overall to talk about the display, it's a nice display but only with 60Hz refresh rate. At least if it is 90Hz, it would be better. Next when we talk about the speakers, the Realme Pad X have quad adaptive stereo speakers. The advantages of adaptive speakers are whichever side you are watching content or playing the game, the speakers will adapt to the same. Plus the sound output quality is also really good and there is no distraction at the higher volume. Next let's talk about ports and button. On the left we have power button and mic. On the bottom we have hybrid SIM slot. Either you can choose dual SIM or one SIM on SD card. And the pad supports 5G network. On the Wi-Fi variant you'll get only SD card option. On the right we have Type-C charging port. Finally on the top we have volume rocker key and mic. Next let's talk about the processor. The Realme Pad comes with Snapdragon 695 5G processor. We usually see this on phones in the budget range of 15 to 20,000. It's really a decent mid-range processor. You can perform some heavy tasks, also you can do gaming. But if you're a gamer who is expecting high level performance, then Realme Pad X won't work out for you. It's good to see that they used a Snapdragon 695 on the tab which comes on this budget. Also if you have both Realme Mobile and Realme Tab, you can cast your mobile screen to Realme Pad. Not only just mirroring, you can directly control your mobile from the tab, plus you can copy paste the text and share files between them. Realme has improved their ecosystem a lot. Next when it comes to OS, the pad runs on Realme UI 3.0 on top of Android 12. The UI is specially customized and optimized for tab. The last security update received was on May. Plus you'll get some special features like split screen, flexible window, smart slide bar. Next let's talk about camera. On the front we have 8 megapixel wide angle camera with 105-degree field of view and it comes with limelight function. During video call it will automatically track the person and keep them on the center. Also if more than one people on the frame, it automatically gets zoomed out and keep two people on the center. And the movement transaction is also really smooth. Mostly we won't use tab for photography, but still we have 13 megapixel camera on the rear, which is fine to take photos or scan the documents. Next, when it comes to video, you can record max 1080p or 720p on this tab. Next, let's talk about battery and charging. The pad comes with 8340 mAh battery with 33 watts dot charging adapter on the box. Also, the tab has reverse charging support, so if you are running out of battery on your phone, you can charge it from your tab. During our testing, we got almost more than 1 day of battery life. Finally, when it comes to RAM and storage, the Realme Pad X comes with LPDDR4X RAM and USF 2.2 storage. Also, we have extended RAM option. You can expand up to 2GB, 3GB or 5GB. Next, let's talk about the price. The tab comes on 3 variant. The base Wi-Fi variant 464GB is priced for 19,999 and we have two cellular version. The 464GB is priced for 25,999 and the 6128GB is priced for 27,999. Also, the tab have Realme Pencil and Smart Keyboard support, but you have to buy it separately. Overall, to conclude it, if you are someone who's looking for best Android tablet under 20,000, then Realme Pad X would be a good option for you. But if you're planning to buy a 6GB version, I wouldn't recommend that. Instead, you can go ahead with Xiaomi Pad 5, which offers better performance. That's it for today. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.